So what did we do? We took shaving cream and mixed it with baking soda. We put the baking soda and the shaving cream in these little things, and we mixed them to make something that was like snow. And then we put some of the snow in the big bowl, and what did we add? Vinegar, right. And it makes the big bubbles. Is that the coolest stuff? What do you think? Did we make a good mess? Uh-oh, look at the floor. We made a mess. What do you think, Jack? Is this cool?
Yeah.
What does it feel like? Like what? Does it tickle? It tickles?
Yeah.
Shall we get rid of? Guess not.
What?
Ah, taking a bath. It's like, feels like soap, doesn't it? Does it or does it? I didn't even feel it. Let me see what it feels like. It doesn't really feel like soap. It feels like something, but I don't know what. You want to put more in? Whoa, Jack. Whoa, here. Okay. That's good. Now wait, let's put some more Tyler's in.
No.
And we're going to put, no, wait, that's enough. Hang on. Watch out, stand back. I'm going to put more vinegar. No, save that, Jack. Let's put some more vinegar. Get ready. Wow, it's going to go over. Woo!
Now it's only open to my sleeve.
It's like a volcano.
Yeah, volcano. I take a bath. I know, take a bath. Look at yours.
I think you're going to have to take a bath after we finish.
Beacon.
What?
Where's the beacon? Look at your cup. It is.
You're trying to clean?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try. I can put some of that back in the bowl. Hang on. I got to turn this off a minute.